Howdy, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try to polish this glowing green rock. Let's give it a whirl. So initially I was going to leave this stone alone, but I figured I'd go ahead and just kind of do a small face of the stone to polish. And I was a little hesitant, and I'll tell you why. These stones are actually very brittle to the point where they can actually pop out. I've had a couple pieces fall out. So those are what fluoresce. Now, my problem is I can't use that polishing wheel for this stone. I'm going to have to use the 14,000 grit Nova wheel and hopefully get a good shine on this. But we're going to kind of play it by ear and see what happens and just kind of pick a spot to start grinding. We're going to start off with the 180 grit hard diamond wheel on the Beacon Star machine that I have. Let's see here. Let's turn off this lamp. Let me see here. What would be a good spot? I don't want to do a big piece. I just want to do a small window. So let's do this corner right here. A nice, fairly small edge. That is very messy material. Let's see if... well, there's some small bits in the tray. Okay, we're going to go ahead and try the 140 grit wheel here on the Nova and see how it does. And hopefully we don't mess things up. I mean, hey, don't know until you try, right? Okay. So what's happening is exactly what I thought would happen. I'll show you here. So what's happening is those little crystals are actually popping out. And I can hear on the wheel that it's not doing too well. Okay, so I'm wondering how we can do this, because I would like to see this end polished. Maybe I'll try the Genie, because that one's a little bit more not as aggressive. Hopefully this works. So I would like to have this work, but trial and error. No. So yeah, we're gonna stop this experiment here, just because there's too many imperfections in this stone to really keep going. It keeps wanting to flake out, and I was really hoping that it would actually stay together for this whole thing, but it's not going to. Which is it's okay. It just means that not all rocks are meant to be polished. Well, it's too bad that we couldn't get this to take a polish, but that's still okay. It will look good on my shelf no matter what, and we learned something new. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Rock on.